Welcome back to this video now. Here, I'm going to be showing some of the things that you need to do on your Facebook page to stand out from the crowd. The first thing is you need to open the Facebook page you want to use, right? Like I told you, I tried to create a Facebook page, the thing did not work on the last previous videos you watched. Now, I was able to use my new Facebook ad account, one of my old one, to try to fast this course and these videos to move very fast, so that we do what we are supposed to do today, which is the ads creation stuff. So now I'm going to show you something you need to do now. This is my main Facebook profile. It's not a Facebook page. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on the page I want to use, which is this Ohankwe Talk Business. I'm going to demonstrate some certain things here that will help you to understand your Facebook page. One, you need to switch to the Facebook page you want to use. This is the Facebook page I want to use for this tutorial. All right. Now click on. You can see what I just did now. You can see personal. My page is a coach, and the address, the phone number, the email, my URL address, and stuff like that. So you can see when I created this page was on January 16th, that this year. I have not posted anything on it. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on switch now to switch to this page to be able to manage it very well. So when I switch to this page, the first thing I need to do is to click on the professional dashboard. Then you click on edit. Make sure you put everything here. You click on edit, arrange your Facebook page, even link your own WhatsApp account. Right? If you link it here, you're going to work perfectly well. So you can write a post, welcome post, and edit some things here, add hobbies, add featured. Just make your page to be enticing and attractive. Alright? Then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on settings, or I'm going to click on professional dashboard first of all to show you something. And this is where we need to work on very well, and this is where we need to filter out those words. I'm going to drop a link, and that link contains those keywords that if you apply it on your page, nobody will ever comment using that keyword. And if they comment on it, the thing will be hidden. It will not show to people. So that's what I'm going to be doing here now. The first thing I'm going to do now is to click on content. Okay, you can see the page systems here. Okay, look at the page stuff here. We want to go for the business suite, to go for here, but here I'm not going for all these things. Okay, what I'm interested in is this moderation assistant. It helps you to moderate your page on your behalf, right? And it helps you to filter out useless words on your page. So what I'm going to do now, I have page access. You invite people to have access to your page to help you to manage your page, right? What I'm going to do now, you can see this page now. Look at the people that are managing my page. I can decide to add another one with here, people with Facebook assets, then add them. For here, I don't want to add anything. I just leave everything like this. Okay, just do your own stuff, and let me go back to what I'm doing, which is the moderation assistant. That is what we need to do in this video. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on moderation assistant, and to moderate my page, you can see something here. I have this is where you assign some certain things automatically, and this moderation assistant will help you to manage your page on your behalf. Right? And you don't need to be doing all this thing by step. I'm going to show you how to do it. So what you need to just do is add or edit criteria. Right? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on add. When you click on add, now they're going to ask you the kind of criteria that you want to use. Right? You have new accounts, new profile picture, no profile picture, all these things. I'm going to show all these things. What I'm interested in is I want to use keyword, right, in comments. So I'll click on keyword in comment. Now you can see what it says. If any one of these criteria are met, the comments will be hidden automatically, right? Now I'm going to click on add. Click on there's none. I'm going to click here. Then I'll put the keyword. Now this keyword contain, maybe you put like you are a scammer, all these things. Nobody can be able to comment something like that on your Facebook page, maybe on your content. Nobody can comment you are a scammer, you're a fraudster. Nobody can comment it if you put this thing there. I already have the words I'll use. Look at it here. Alright, then I'll just copy it. Alright, copy it like this. Then come to the page I want to use, paste it. This is the content I want to use. Okay, this is the comment I want to use. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on enter. Now I've entered this content. Now you can see if somebody comments 419 on my page, it will not enter. If somebody comments Jesus, it will not show on my page content, my comment section. If person comments scam, devil, evil, dangote, scammer, NYC, con, bloody, fraud, fraudster, scams, suspicious, hiding, trap, cook, criminology, all these things are what people can comment on, right? Even phone numbers. Okay, what I'm going to try to do now is I'm going to try Telegram. I'm going to type Telegram here because I this Telegram. Then I'm going to add crypto. Then I'm going to add t.me. I'm going to add coins. Guess what I'm adding now? So some of these things that you don't want to be appearing on your comment section, add it. I'm going to add another one, which is I'm going to add let's say WhatsApp me. I will train you. Help me. Okay. Money. Then I'll add like $sign. Alright, because most times, okay, okay, I'll just add like $sign again. I'll just add like $2 If somebody comments this $sign, it will not show on my comment section. So let's look at what we let me just use this www. Okay, it will not go. Facebook.com, it will not show. Twitter.com, it will not go. Some of those things that you don't want somebody to comment on your page, just put it here. When you are done, I'm done already now. Okay, you can even upload it as CSV or clear it or copy the list. For me, I love it like this now. So I'll go back. Okay, add to moderation assistant. I'll click on it. I've added it into my moderation assistant. You can see that it's not two. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add another one. Click on add. Now I want to do another thing, which is I want to add assistant that people will not add their image. Click on image and content. Comment has an image. If any of these criteria are met, the comment will be hidden. Maybe somebody wants to add their image there. Just click on add moderation assistant. Nobody will be able to add their image on your comment section again. So add here. What I'm going to do again is no profile picture. So that means that any person who does not have a profile picture will not comment on my page. So I'll click on add a moderation assistant. I'm just helping you to see how to make your page to be very, very nice. So you not look as if you are somebody else or something like that. So repeat offender is going to hide all of these people. Now what I'm going to add another one again, which is link in comments. Yeah, comment has link. I'll still add it. I'll add another one. Then which is profanity in comments. Yeah, let me add it again. So another one is link a specific site. Yes. Now they are going to ask you the link to a site. If you want to add Google, right? Now any person that types google.com on your comment section, the thing will never work. You can add another one, which is Telegram. I'm just showing something. It will not go. Or say T. Another one people use mostly is this one, t.me. This is a Telegram channel, alright, something like this. Now anything that somebody types that has to do with t.me, it will never go. Alright, so after that we are good to go. Click on go, click on add to moderation assistant, and your Facebook page and your ad creation will look so nice. If somebody comes to your comment section, they will see that people commenting there are not commenting something, even though if they comment something profitably, maybe constructive comment, and they commented with all the certain words, the thing will not appear. So this is how to secure and safeguard your comment section so that people can trust your business and trust your product you are selling, and you get more people that will comment and come to your DMs so that you sell to them. So this is how I do this particular area. Now I think if you apply this in your page, you are going to get quite a number of things that nobody will ever teach you in Facebook ads before. So in the next video, we are going to be jumping into what to do on the Facebook page. So okay, for example, now let me show you something you need to do again on your Facebook page. If you come to your Facebook page now, like I said, if you want to get a lot of people to, if you want to get a post reach, if you want to get post engagements, new page like and new followers, what you need to do first of all is click a post. Okay, click here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to post something. Now I'm going to be using this thing as my video for my ad. Okay, reason why I'm posting this thing here is because I'm posting this in here because I want Facebook to show this post. I'm going to use this post again to run adverts. I want to use this in as well so that Facebook will show it to a lot of people. If somebody should comment on this comment section on the ad side, it will still appear on my page. If somebody likes the ad, maybe this is showing them as ad, it will still be appearing on my page as like. So this way, this reaction you're getting on this ad is also showing on your page, which is something that people don't really understand the power of this advertising. So when you do this now, what I'm going to do again is I'm going to add an image. Of course, you need to add an image. So just like add something like simple something anyways. I'm just trying to overload it with a lot of things. I'll just go to my document section. Let me find it. Pictures. Let me find a particular one that I will use. Okay. Your picture art quality matters a lot again. So let me find a picture I will use for my ad. Already I have a lot of pictures on my ad. I have a lot of ad pictures I will use. So let me find the one. Don't worry about what you are seeing. These are images I've done in the past. So I think okay, let me use this one. Oh, let me use this. Wow, this one is nice. This is an image. Now I'm using this image as my ad creative element. Alright, I'll click on post. Now I don't want to add button, just leave it. Now what this thing is going to help me to do is whenever I start running ad, I can select this post. Alright, I'll select this post, I'll boost it. Alright, I'll boost this post. Now another way to do this thing is people don't really know about this thing is because they don't understand that using the post on your page to run ad helps you to increase more sales. I will explain when we start going to the ad creation series. So now look at what is happening here. You can see the post I posted here just now. I will still use this post now. Alright, this post now to run ad. You can see the post now. I will still use it to run ad. So let me just like it. Now what I'm going to do now is for me to get more reaction, for me to get more results in this ad I'm about to run, I'll boost this post now. I'll do something called engagement post engagement to get more reaction and get more people to like this page so that I can target them back. You too can add the product you are selling on this page now on your page before running ad. It helps your business to move very faster. You can add the post and the product on your page first of all before running ad. It helps you to get more people to buy from you. So in the next video we are going to start running ads. Alright, so thank you and I'll see you in the next video.